everyone. I thought I'd quickly pop in. I'm at the basement. See the floor? There's that beautiful, see that beautiful cement floor? The vein of my existence right now. I wanted to pop in and let everyone know what's happening. So I just met the company who did the floor, and of course they feel sicker than a dog. They're not happy with how it turned out. So here is the plan, and here is what's happening, and I'll tell you why I'm extremely happy about it. So the color that is on here, so again, this beautiful color, and it is a beautiful floor, is not staying. So there's some holes that need to get filled. There's just some wonky shit with this floor that has to get fixed. So that's all going to get fixed. Hi, Fatim. And then, so here's what's going to happen. They have to, I wrote it down because I wanted to make sure my clients knew exactly what was happening. So they're going to strip this current floor because there's a top coat on it. They're going to sand it. They're going to prep it. So they're going to fill it with some, I don't know, some poly something or other that dries in 2 hours, and they're going to sand it again. Then they're going to put the new metallic coat on, so the color that we chose to begin with. And then they're going to put the top sealer on. So they're estimating 3 days. This week it can't happen. My clients have guests coming in from out of town, and it's not optional. And so that's gonna get done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I have had to push my electrician back, and which caused me to bump him from another job and flip-flop him from a different job, which, you know, it's always not stressful, but it's a pain in the ass to have to move everybody around. Talk to the cabinet company who's coming to install the bar, all the cabinetry in the bar. They are now going to come on Monday. They could have come on the Friday, so a week from this Friday. But honestly, if the electrician needs a couple extra hours in a day, then project drama, Maria, oh my God, Maria, it's like drama central. Anyway, it's all going to get fixed. And here's the one thing that I wanted to say is that when I talked to my client, and they did ask my opinion, and you know me, I'm frank, I tell it like it is. I said, if this floor was close to a color that we chose and it worked, then we'd have maybe a little bit different discussion. But the floor that's installed, the color is not even close to what we picked. And so, it's got to get changed. Everything based, you know, when I help clients choose their things, we start at the floor first because it's usually the place that holds the most real estate. So we chose the floor that goes with the rest of the house because we don't treat every room like an island. We treat it like the whole house. So there needs to be flow to and from. And so this is what's going to happen. The good thing is, the overall timeline actually isn't going to change. So this is still going to get done by the end of July. I've got the painters now booked. Of course, they want to make things super right with my clients, so they're going to throw in a bunch of extra little work, like doing the doors and making sure the trim is perfect and beautiful and blah, blah, blah. So the good thing is, number one, we're getting the color we chose and we're expecting. Number two, the company that did the floor is making it right. They feel horrible. Of course they feel horrible. Their name's attached to this floor. So that's all that really matters to me, is that they make it right. So the family is going to be, they won't be able to walk on it for 2 days. So we're back to that again. Oh, Maria, isn't it fun to have conversations like that with your clients? But here's the one good thing is, we're here to look after it for them, right? So we're the sounding board, we're the go-to person, we're gonna make it right. And so I said to my client, I'll be here every day next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They're gonna make a larger sample of the paint color that's going on the floor before the metallic goes on, because that's where the screw up was. And I'll be signing off. So I'll be signing my life away saying, yes, that is the color. Or no, that's not the color. Let's get it right before you install it. So all those things are going to be looked after, and they're going to end up with everything they wanted. It's a small term pain, like my client said on the phone. She said, I know it's the right thing to do. And it is. The washer and dryer have to get moved out again. The kids have to crawl through the window. The adult kids have been crawling through the window to get into their bedroom. It's like like a little maze to get in here, but it's going to be done right and it's going to be perfect. So anyway, that's the decision. And I loved everyone's comments yesterday about what would they do, and almost everyone said do it right, like do the color, get the color that you guys wanted, and so that is exactly what we're doing. So Maria, by next week I'll be able to show the floor, the bar, and all that good stuff. So well, not the bar, but I'll be able to show the proper floor. So I'm going to take some good pictures here now what the floor looks like, and then what it's going to look like next week. So anyway, I'm going to get excited again for these floors because I know for sure they're going to be the right color because I'm signing my life away. Yes. Anyway, Maria, I hope you have a great day. I hope you don't have to deal with something like this. I know Maria is watching the Facebook video right now. She also project manages her projects, and yeah, every now and then we have a curveball in this. Like I said to the company that came to look at the floor, I said, this floor is just a clusterfuck. No, there's no other way to explain it. It's just one thing after another. So we're gonna make it right, and it's gonna look fantastic, and I know my clients will love it. All right, take care everyone, have a great day. I gotta go to another project, but I don't have issues with that one, so I'm looking forward to stopping by. All right, see you later everyone.